One of the more powerful features of Respondus is the ability to import exam questions from other formats, such as Microsoft Word. Once the questions are imported, Respondus can then publish the exam to a learning management system. To begin, select the Import Questions tool from the Respondus Start menu. Respondus will import 4 types of files: plain text, rich text, Microsoft Word format, or a comma-separated CSV file. For this example, we'll select Microsoft Word for the type of file. Regardless of whether you are importing a Word file or another type of text file, the document must be formatted according to some basic requirements that are described in the online help or the Respondus user guide. The online help begins with a description of the formatting requirements for multiple choice questions. As shown here, each question must begin with a number, followed by either a parentheses or a period. By scrolling down in the online help, we can see that there are 2 ways to designate a correct answer for a multiple choice question. An asterisk can be placed in front of a correct answer, or an answer list can be added to the bottom of the document. For other question types that you want to import with Respondus, such as essay or fill-in-the-blank questions, there are similar formatting requirements explained in the online help. Let's take a look at some exam questions in a Microsoft Word document and then import them using Respondus. This particular document includes images, tables, and other formatting, such as bold and italic. The advantage of importing a Microsoft Word file, as opposed to a rich text or text file, is that embedded images and most other enhanced formatting will be saved during the import process. Also notice that each question in this file begins with a number followed by a period, just as described in the online help. The question shown here demonstrates the correct answer is being preceded with an asterisk, which is one of the methods shown in the online help for indicating a correct answer. Let's return to Respondus and import the questions from this file. We've already selected the file type being imported, so the next step is to browse and to select the Microsoft Word file containing the exam questions. Questions being imported can be appended to the currently open file in Respondus, or a new file can be created at this point. For this example, we'll create a new file. By default, the first 20 characters of the question wording are used for the title of the question. However, there is also an option that allows you to specify a stem, or a prefix, to be used for the title of the question, such as the phrase Exam 1. In this way, all questions being imported will have a title that starts with that prefix followed by a number. The Preview button is used to check for formatting problems that Respondus might encounter during the import. For example, if a correct answer has not been selected for a question, a warning message for that question will be displayed in this preview window. No warnings are shown for this file, so we can complete the importing process by clicking the Finish button. It's a good idea to preview the questions before an import to make sure that everything is imported correctly. Here are the questions that were imported. Notice that the images, formatting, tables, and correct answers have all been imported with the question wording. Well, that's a quick tour of the importing features in Respondus. For more information on this task, see the online help or the Respondus user guide.